I think that life really, if you really look at it, is a great mystery. We really, it's full of mystery. Why are we here? What happens to us when we die? I mean, I contemplate that now, you know. When you get to 81, you say, well, there are not many more years left, you know. Where am I going? What's going to happen after that? We don't know. People will tell us that this is going to happen, but nobody knows for absolute certain. They say it all rests on faith. And so life is really a mystery. And part of the journey of life, as I understand it, is this, is to grow more deeply to the mystery, towards the mystery that lies within and beyond us. And that doesn't mean knowing all the answers. It means but trying to explore that. And